Guys, make some noise for Miss Brittany Rotundo to my left, please. This is our song. This is our first single. It's called Devil's Allure. Oh, whoa! Some Jack, when along came a boy named Simmy with a knife in his back. Said the red man sarcastically grinning, Timmy, come hang and sip some cheap thrills. But as soon as he sat, the world stood still. Oh, it looks like you could use a friend, so we'll sing from beginning to the end. They laugh with a roar and smoke to the bone, but the devil's alone was something unknown. And the devil said, son, for the price of a soul, I can build you up till you're higher than heaven. And Timmy said, sir, I believe I'm drunk, and you got me down like a 7-Eleven. Was healed, it seemed all was well, but the conversation steered and veered into hell. Whatever happened to poor little Timmy? The knife jammed hard in his back. Well, they say that you can hear him drunkenly singing about a devilish bottle of Jack. Oh, it looks like a friend, so we'll sing from beginning to the end. And they laugh with a roar and smoke to the bone, but the devil's alone was something unknown. Yeah, the devil's alone was something unknown. Oh, the devil's alone was something unknown. You guys. That's Jay Miraglia and Michael Vivas on bass.